This form is used to create a training plan for your client, and here's one that I filled out earlier. So you can give it a name, and then you put down the different workouts in the program. So this would be like a mesocycle where you are using multiple workouts to achieve your objective. And so what we've got here is we've got a fat burning, zone 1 heart rate training, fitness development, working in zone 2, a weight training workout, a what we call a personal circuit, and a sculpting circuit. So we've given the client several workouts, and this chart tells them what to do on each day. So it tells them that, for example, the fat burning, they're going to do that on a Tuesday and a Friday and a Sunday, and so on. And then down here you've got your progression. So you can see that this is split up by weeks. These are already in there because they come from here. So week 1, week 2, down to week 6. So this is a 6-week cycle here. We've got the dates, and then you then progress them through, tell them what they're going to do in terms of progression on each week. Obviously, if they're not doing any changes to the variables of the particular workout on every week, then you'll just put it in to tell them when they do change it, so they follow this. And then over on this one, click workouts. We've got the actual details of each of the workouts, and this is filled out by you. We'll just show you the blank one a moment. Obviously you can remember from this that you've got your program name here and your different workouts. If I go to the blank one that you're filling out, you'll obviously put your workout name in here, weight loss plan, let's say number 1, and the client name goes in here, the date in here, and you'll go ahead and put the workout names or the type of training. So this might be running program, and I'm going to have her do her running program on a Monday, put a cross there, and on a Thursday type in a cross there. So, and then I'm going to have her also do her weight program 1, and she's going to do that on a Tuesday and a Friday, for example. And as I fill this out, you'll see that the programs are automatically being dropped into this list down here. So this is where I moved down once I filled out my weekly chart. This might only have 2 programs. You might only have them doing a running and a weight program, and that might be it. But you've got space there for 5 different types of workouts in any one cycle. Okay, and then they've dropped down here, so running program. The criteria for this is in minutes, and I want her to do 20 minutes, and then each week I'd like her to progress the amount of time that she spends running. This is just an example. Alright, so 28. So at the end of week 6, she's now running for 30 minutes instead of 20 minutes at the beginning. Put today's date in, so I'm going to put here 12/12/08. Hit the tab, and you'll see that the dates then automatically come in for the next 6 weeks. You can put your company details down here, your name, so PT Resources, and contact details. That'll be like your phone number if you want to put something in here, or you can just leave those blank. I'll just take this out and leave that blank. Okay, you can put something in this box if you want to do that. Alright, then we go over to the workouts page. Now if you remember in this one, the example, when I click the workouts, you can see that I've put information pertaining to each of the program, or each of the workouts that's in the program. So if I go back to my blank one and I click workouts, I'll see the program, the running program and the weight program already filled out in the box. See, running program, weight program, whatever you put in that first page will automatically come into here. Now the running program, I want her to exercise at a specific heart rate, 160 beats per minute, if I'm going to set the MET level, or I'm going to put in how many calories she burns per minute, I would put those in as well here. And then any instructions that I want to give her: warm up 5 minutes and stretch at the end, that kind of thing. Anything you want goes in there, and this is basically the instructions for each of the different workouts. We wouldn't be using necessarily heart rate, METs and calories here, although you can. We might put in here a little bit more detail about the weight program and so on. If you'd put more workouts in, then you'll have more boxes that you can fill out. So what the client gets at the end of this is they get the program schedule, and then you print out also the workout instruction sheet so that they've got a full plan, full mesocycle if you will, for the next 6 weeks. And this is really a great sheet to use. You can get this form and purchase it so you can use it on your desktop, and then you can just name the form using the client's name and just create as many of these as you wish.